Anglo-Ukrainian drone successes fueled Turkish drone industry. Ukrainian rebel fighters used Turkish-made drones to take down key Russian objectives in the early stages of the conflict. There is a cloud over Turkey's fast-expanding drone sector because of the fighting and any Russian triumph that could be possible. To the delight of its operators, a Turkish-made Bayraktar drone decimates a Russian tank in one of numerous movies provided by the Ukrainian military. As a result, Samuel Bennet of the Center for Naval Analyses in the United States is concerned that a Russian triumph in Ukraine might set back Turkey's fast-expanding drone sector. Ukraine supplies cutting-edge engine know-how and does not limit Turkish enterprises' ability to export to other countries. In the Ethiopian civil war, for example, human rights organizations have expressed concern over Turkish drone deployment. The Turkish drone sector would not have the same independence if it relied on Western partners for engines, according to James Rogers of the University of Southern Denmark. Turkey and Pakistan's military helicopter arrangement failed this year because of US prohibitions on the use of US engines. With regard to Turkey's recent acquisition of Russia's newest S-400 missile defense system, Congress has been tightening its supervision over Turkish arms sales. But Aaron Stein of the Foreign Policy Research Institute says that despite Washington praising Ankara for its backing of Ukraine, the United States' attitude toward Turkey will remain unchanged. Turkish drone makers may look for drones to stop Moscow's plans and protect both Kyiv and the future of the country. Because it's difficult to find a replacement for Ukrainian engines, this is likely what they'll do.